Hey guys, welcome to the next episode. Today I'm going to show you how to delete messages on Discord. But before we begin, remember that in the description of this video you will find a link to our Discord server, so make sure to join us. And now let's start. First of all, go to your Discord app. It can be web version, it can be computer version, or it can be mobile version. Once you do this, make sure to log into your Discord account. And when you log in, let me show you two ways of deleting the messages. First of all, we can delete messages both on the server or in private messages. So let me start from private messages. So over here, if we go to home, we'll see a list of our private messages. As you can see, I have only a direct message with Ethereum price bot. So I'm going to show you how to delete these messages. First way would be to highlight the message we want to delete. And then on the right side, we can see those three dots. So click on them and choose delete message. It will ask if we really want to delete this message. If we do, we just click delete and the message was already deleted. If we would like to delete the whole conversation with a person, we just simply need to find it over here on the list of the conversations and click on this X. Once we do this, as you can see, the whole conversation was totally deleted. So this was the first way. Now let me show you how to do this on the server. I have written a test message over here. So in order to delete it, all you need to do is click on those three dots and then from the list choose delete message. If you really want to delete this message, click on delete button to confirm. And as soon as you do this, the message is already deleted. So those are two ways of deleting messages on Discord. Please let me know in the comments if you managed to do that, and remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching!